Here's how to use your Amazon gift card balance correctly. First, open the Amazon app and tap the personal icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, go to your account and look for the gift card balance section. This is where you can check your available balance and redeem a new gift card by entering or scanning the claim code. Once your gift card has been redeemed, add an item to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, review your payment information and look for the payment method section. If you have an available Amazon gift card balance, you should see an option to use your Amazon gift card. Select that option, then continue through the checkout process. Your available gift card balance will automatically be applied toward the order total. In my case, I didn't have any balance in my Amazon gift card, which is why the option to use it wasn't showing under the payment methods. So if you don't see this option, make sure your gift card has already been redeemed and that you have funds available in your balance. Once your gift card balance is available and selected as the payment method, complete the checkout process and place your order. That's all for this video. Thanks.